fall through, bro. Bring them clippers for me, bro.
Alright, I got you, bro.
That
nigga
shit
made.
ain't getting that shit. Yeah, that shit bushy. Bushy on the head, man.
We just changed the oil on this motherfucker today. Now, I had to go to AutoZone and get this motherfucker. And, try to remove this motherfucker, man.
Damn. Oh, yeah, just like that.
Hold up, Mike. Hold the camera right there. We're gonna change the gaskets. Got that gasket. Got the filter. Take that one off. Whoop. Hey. And don't forget to take a little oil for that. Set that to the side. And you wanna take the filter. How they came out like that. This other little rubber mallet. We're gonna be changing that.